What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning channel, and we are back on with more SAT content, which is super awesome. I'm just doing a quick sound check on my phone, making sure we're good to go. It's looking good, looking good. All right, so sorry for this kind of like last minute stream again. We're about to release the schedule for what's coming for the next 7 days of consecutive streams leading up to the October 2nd test. And if you didn't know, I am taking the October 2nd test myself. So if you didn't know, now you know. I'm very excited about that. And it's been a long time since I've sat down taking an official test. So I cannot wait. What's up, Nid Rocks? And for this lovely Friday, the Friday a week and a day before the real deal, the real test, we're gonna keep doing some of these mini tests. But we got a lot of amazing content coming your way that I've got planned. And by the way, if you haven't checked out our video course yet, it's in, you can click on the description link below, and right now it's only $30 a month if you do want to sign up. It's got 2.5 full practice tests right now. It's about to have 3 by the end of the weekend, and we're going to be uploading we got video explanations for the first test and a half pretty much, and then we're going to be uploading more and more. So as it fills out and we get all the content, it's going to get better and better, and the price will go up too, but that's right now, it's like that. That's why it's such a low price right now. And by the way, you have a downloadable PDF with all the important formulas as well. Okay, everybody. First of all, thank you so much for coming. Hey, what's up from Nigeria? Adebola. I hope I'm saying your name right. What's up? What's up? So here we go. We're going to jump right into it, and we're going to get the, let me get my thing going here. Web Paint. I always have to turn this thing off. There's something weird about the about this extension. It like messes up my home page, so I have to like turn it off and then turn it back on. It's really a whole thing. I don't know what these guys are doing, but all right. Once again, it's making me do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Without further, what's up, Spyro Spike? Without further ado, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. No calculator. Hiroto spends $68 in ebooks and paperback books combined. Each ebook he buys costs $5, and each paperback ebooks costs $12. Oh wait, they use X ebooks and Y paperbacks, and he spends $68. So this plus this gives us the total of $68, which looks like A is the winner. Modeling the situation. Boom, done. Next, on one Saturday, butcher sells B pounds of beef at $6. She'll sell some pork for $7. On Sunday, she sells B pounds of beef again, but at a sale price of $4. She also sells some pork for $9. So you notice it's not $9 per pound for whatever the pork is. It's just $9, and that's $7. Given that she made the same revenue of D dollars each day, which of the following systems can be used to find how many pounds? Okay, so look, I kind of did it as I read it, and that's how I like to do it. 6B plus 7 equals D. That's out 6. Wait, what? Oh, why do they have D there? Okay, these don't even make sense. I'm assuming these are wrong unless they did something weird with the variables. So it's got to be B. D equals 6B plus 7. D equals 4B plus 9. B is the winner. Boom, done. Next, which of the following is an equation of line A graphing the x1 plane that passes through that point and is perpendicular to the line B? Okay, so look at this. This is very interesting. I haven't seen one like this before. So this is a vertical line. So that means this is a horizontal line, which means if it's perpendicular, it should be y equals whatever the y coordinate is, which is 3.5. Boom, done. Right? It's got to be that. It's either x equals -1 or that one, right? Because those are the only two that actually go through this point. But since we know it's got to be a horizontal line perp to this, it's got to be the y. All right, next. A circle in xy plane has its center on line y equals 1. So we know the center is something, comma 1. If point 2, -3 lies on the circle and the radius is 4. Okay, here's the dealio. So I'm going to call this x. And we're going to use the distance formula because we're going to set this equal to the radius. So check it out. The distance from the center to the edge point should be 4. So how do we do it? What's the distance formula? It's x minus the x value there squared plus 1 y value minus the y value there squared. Okay, so I get 4 equals square root of x squared minus 4x plus 4. And that becomes plus, that's 4 squared plus 16. So we got 4 equals square root of x squared minus 4x plus 20. I'm going to square both sides. I get 16 equals x squared minus 4x plus 20. Oh, man, let's take it a while. X squared minus 4x minus 16 would be plus 4. Factor, x, and it's minus 2, minus 2. So the x value is 2, so it's going to be 2, 1. Why you would not have 1 in there doesn't even make sense, but yeah, it's got to be that center. And the distance, oh, look at that. We definitely know the distance is 4 because the 2, 2, hey, there you go. But then 1 to negative 3 is a distance of 4. And it's probably not, this wouldn't make sense. That can't be the center if it's at a point, so on and so forth. Okay, let's keep moving because I don't want to run out of time here. The equation, this is true for all values, blah, blah, blah. What does the value be? Okay, what we're going to do is, wait a minute. Oh, I know how to do. Okay, so 2c times b to the c. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break 10 up to try and get this to look like the left side as much as possible. So I know that 10 has those two prime factors of 2 and 5. Oh, look at this. Now it's multiplying so we can distribute the exponent inside, and it's 2c bc equals 2c 5c. If you cancel those guys out, you see that b is 5. Boom, done. What's up, Nimesh? Okay. Let x equals j and x equals k be solution to the equation of j is greater than k. What's the value of j minus k? Okay, let's solve. I am going to factor. Look, you can use the star method here. It's not very often that on the real SAT you actually have to use the star method, but I'll show it to you. We put the a values up here. We put a times c, 6 times negative 5, negative 30 up there, and negative 7 down here. Now, what multiplies to negative 30 and adds to negative 7? It would be negative 10 and positive 3, right? They add to negative 7. They multiply to negative 30. Now I simplify this like a fraction, so it becomes 2 over 1. Simplify this, it becomes 3 over negative 5. So when I factor it now, it's 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 5, which gives me a solution of 5/3, right, to make the 0 5/3, and negative 1/2. Okay, and they said, what's the difference of these two with the big one minusing the smaller one? Double turns into a plus. So 5/3 plus 1/2. Let's make a common denominator of 6. 10/6 plus 3/6 is 13/6. Okay, it's a free response. I'd really like more time to double check this, but I'm going to plow forward, hoping I didn't make any silly mistakes. I guess we could check it real quick. Hold on. So what did I say? I said negative 1/2. No, it's too much. It's too difficult to check, I feel like, mentally without a calculator. So let's make sure I didn't make any mistakes. Hold on. 6x squared, negative 10, blah, blah, blah. And then so it's negative 1/2, positive 5/3. 5/3 plus 1/2 is 10/6 plus 3/6. Yeah, I think it's right. All right, let's move on. We have got 8 minutes left. Number 7. A binary code word of length n is a string of zeros and ones at n digits. For example, that is binary code of length 4. Got it. The number of binary code words of length n is shown above. Okay. If the length is increased from n to n plus 1, how many more binary code words will there be? Okay, hold on. So it's currently n, and then it's increased to 2n plus 1. Okay, so this is the same. 2n plus 1 is the same as 2 to the n times 2. You see? So, because that's really 2 to the 1. So it's double that. Wait a minute. What is this at? How many more binary codes? Because we don't say, are they saying by addition? Because it's double. So it's like, I could say it's 2 more, like twice as many. But they're saying it's like subtraction, right? So it's like, oh, I think I get it. Wait. So it'd be like 2 to the n times 2 minus 2 to the n. So you can kind of do it like this. And then you can factor out. Okay, then you can factor out 2 to the n, and that makes it 2 minus 1. Oh, it is 2 to the n. Okay, that's weird. And that is, I haven't seen one like that. I do feel like that was really hard. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I kind of stumbled upon it. Hey, just following good methods, and it can work out like that. I'm pretty sure that's what they meant. Okay, which of the following is equivalent to the above expression? So they're squaring it. Hold on, let's see. I'm just going to do it. I don't know the shortcut. A plus B plus C times A plus B plus C, and we're going to FOIL. So we got A squared plus AB plus AC. Then we got plus AB plus B squared plus BC. I like to stagger it like this because it makes it easier at the end. Plus AC plus BC plus C squared. So then it becomes A squared plus 2AB plus 2AC. You see that? Plus B squared plus 2BC plus C squared. Okay, is that there? A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. But they're missing an AC. They're missing the 2AC. So I say that one's out. This one's definitely out. This one's definitely out. I guess it's this one. Oh, yeah, because look, they factored out the AB, AC, and BC, and they put it all in here. And then they got the A squared, B squared, C squared, so it's A. They just reformatted it in a different way. La da da. And 4 minutes left. Oh, my God. Okay, gas mileage for a car is 23 miles per gallon. Where the car travels 60 miles per hour. The car begins a trip with 13 gallons in the tank and travels an average of 60 miles per hour for 8 hours. Hold on. These ones, I have to wrap my mind around it for a second. So 60 miles per hour. So that means it's burning 23 miles per gallon. Okay, 60 miles per hour for 8 hours and ends the trip with 10 gallons in the tank. So we know it equals 10 over here. We know it's 13 minus something. I don't see why the 13 should go over 23. Okay, which is line equation miles the system best? Hold on, I have to think about this for a second. So we're going 60 miles per hour, which means it's 23 miles per gallon, which means that hold on a second, in an hour, I have to get my head around this, 60 miles. Hold on, let me see if I can do it dimensional. 60 miles per 1 hour. And then we've got 23 miles per gallon. 1 gallon. And then it's times the number of hours. I think this gets it. So then I think it's 60H over 23. And then it's 13. I think it's B. All right. Yowzers. I don't know why these problems kind of trip me up for some reason. So I'm pretty sure that makes sense because now we can imagine if you plug in 1, yeah, you're burning about 3 gallons. You plug in 2, you're burning about 6 gallons, right? Because 2 hours, you're going 23 miles per gallon. You know what I'm saying? So B makes a lot of sense. All right. The polynomial function f is defined as this when f of m is divided by m plus 1. What is the remainder? Nothing. It's 0. Because look, it's a factor. M plus 1 is a factor. Now, alternatively, if you weren't sure, you can use the remainder theorem and you can plug in -1 because the remainder is the same as if you plug -1 in. Well, I already know if I plug -1 in here, it zeroes out, regardless of what happens in here, like -1 minus 1 plus 17 minus 15. It becomes, oops, glitched out. Whatever. It becomes 2. Well, this zeroes out too, it looks like. So it's 0 times 0, but yeah, so that means no remainder. All righty, let's go for it. Let's see how we did. Come on, baby. Yeah, 100%. Hey, what's up? Aditya, how you doing? Djibouti, what's up? Rome, first time on the live from American Samoa. Welcome, Daryl. It's so cool. Maria, why the distance form is equal to the radius of the circle? Okay, good question. So what I was doing there was I was literally, they told me the length of the, look, so here's the radius, here's the endpoint. I think it was like 2, 3 or something. It was like 2, 3, and then the other value, we didn't know this thing. We didn't know the x value. But like, it's a circle, right? No, it's terrible. Let's pretend the radius is here. This is the distance. the distance from here to here is the length of the radius. They said the length was 4. So I said, okay, what's the distance of these 2 points? And whatever it is, it's got to equal 4. So that's how I did that one. Yeah, I'm a nerd and I'm proud. What's up? Okay, guys, I got to roll because that's it. But we got content coming out. I'm going to release the schedule on Discord, and we will probably mail it out as well tomorrow. But anyway, so either get on our mailing list or get on our Discord server. Link to Discord servers in the description below. And that is it. October 2nd, I'm in here with you guys. I'm going to take it with you, so I can't wait. Thank you guys so much. If you liked the video, make sure to click that like button. And if you want to see more from the Scalar Learning channel, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.